ang on-the-spot na tugon at aksyon sa inyong mga sumbong at hinaing. Hashtag Palatawag.
Via Zoom naman po ito, ang ating pong kliyente ay si Yolanda na taga Iloilo.
Ito po ang kanyang salaysay, Chief. Hello po, Chief Acosta. I am Yolanda, a resident of Mina, Iloilo. Married to Maximo, an elementary grade school teacher before. We have 3 children.
1986, we left our conjugal dwelling and lived with another woman. They have a child. They simulated the birth of their child by making it appear that I am the mother of the child. I have the original copy of the live birth. Since then, he did not give support to our children, even though the principal of the school advised him to give to our 3 children. No support for our 3 children.
Fiscal Rogelio, through my evidences, ordered that filing of concubinage and falsification of documents be filed. They were jailed. He pleaded and promised that he will give financial to our children. But after the filing of affidavit of desistance, every time I ask him, because my children are in high school already, and I find hard in making both ends, he is very arrogant and threatened us that he will kill us.
He shouted at me always if ever I asked for the needs of our children. So I'm afraid. I stopped asking. I just work as lavandero, and during planting and harvest season, I work on the farm in order we can survive.
In 1994, I seek the help of Public Attorney's Office. We filed VAUSI, or Republic Act number 9262. Hearing was made. Ayaw niya magbigay para sa mga anak dahil sabi niya marami siyang utang. The debt he made, hindi kami nakakatikim.
Judge Go and my prosecutor explained to him that it is his obligation until we make an agreement, but this agreement is useless. Ayan, sinend niya.
Haba ng kwento
Oo.
niya. Pwede ba i-summarize na natin?
Actually,
Okay. Nasa linya na siya eh, di ba?
Yolanda.
Yes po, si
Okay,
Yolanda.
ma'am. Ma'am
Miss
Yolanda.
Yolanda.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon.
Nagkorte na pala kayo. Ayaw pa rin. Ilang taon na ba yung mga anak nyo? Yung gusto
Ngayon, may mga kuwan na sila. May mga edad na sila.
Oo.
Ang 42, ang youngest ko na since na 2, 3 kag 4 years old, nag-file na ako pero hindi masyado siyang hindi siya bumibigay
Ma'am,
sa
kasi ang
amin.
support para sa edukasyon, pagkain, tirahan ng mga minor children.
Medical.
Edukasyon naman, kahit may edad na, pwede pa rin. Napaaral nyo ba na yung mga anak nyo? Tapos na sila?
Ma'am, hindi sila nakatapos dahil hindi ko
Pero
kaya.
matatanda na ho sila, ano? May kanya-kanyang pamilya na.
Oo.
Ay, naku na ito may abogado tayo. Usap po kayo. Attorney, Panyera, Mere, bahala ka na
Attorney
kay
Mary
ma'am.
Desiree.
Nang
Ilang
dumanggas.
taon na kayo, ma'am Yolanda, ngayon? Ilang taon na po kayo ngayon?
72, ma'am.
Opo, gusto niya ng suporta. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ang
may
husband and wife,
dahil,
ang husband and wife, lifetime ang suportahan eh. Okay. Attorney, Villaruel,
Good
bahala ka na kay nanay ha.
Opo, Chief.
O, sige.
Naipunta po kayo dito sa office namin po.
Opo,
Yes,
usap na lang kayo, off-cam. At usap
Opo.
kayo, pag-usapin ko kayo, ha? At discussin
Sige,
mo
ma'am.
ang extent of support sa mga anak, okay? According
Okay,
to
Papa Chief.
according to the
ma'am.
family code
Thank
of
you,
the
Chief.
Philippines. Okay
Thank
po,
you, Chief.
Ma'am Yolanda, bahala na po si Atty. Villaruel. Pwede ba,
Yes,
pagpunta sa'yo, bigyan mo yan ng pambiling pagkain si ma'am?
Mhm.
Babayaran kita?
Opo, Chief. Opo, Chief.
O, sige,
Opo,
bigyan
Chief.
mo ng lucky number mo, ha? Babayaran kita. Mag-report ka kay Ate Ruby para ma-reimburse kita, ha? Okay,
Opo,
thank
Chief.
you.
Yeah, thank
Pagpunta
you.
ni nanay.
So, pakihintay
Thank
na lang,
you.
Ma'am Yolanda. Kukontakin po kayo. Ha?
Okay.